My name's Carter Andrews, and I would like to show you how easy it is to install your flush port quick connect. All right, I've got my Mercury Pro XS here, and it's really simple. I unscrew my cap, I screw in my quick connect for the flush port. I'm going to, here's the cap that it was on before. I'm going to take my rusted pliers, because everything in Florida rusts, don't forget that. I'm going to just clip that off. So once I take my cap off from your factory, and now you just push it in and turn it to the left, and now it's locked in, just like it was. But now I have a quick connect right here that I'm able to connect my Flushmaster to, as simple as this. Here we go. And that's it. Disconnect. This makes it easy enough that there's no excuse for any of us not to be doing it. And that's the truth.
Flushmaster. Flush your engines without flushing your time.